Hey there, guys. I know I am looking rough. I don't know what that is. I am bringing you a very special video. I did not think I'd be able to do this so soon, but I just ordered some new Rebel flavors and they just arrived today. I'm so excited. So I am going to do a quick taste test for you guys and let you know my thoughts about the new Rebel flavors that I ordered. They have a few other flavors. These were the two that sounded the most interesting to me. So if you like Rebel ice cream, definitely check out their website. I got 2 cases. I don't know how I'm going to fit them in my freezer, but I got 2 cases so I could get free shipping. They ended up being like $5.99 per pint. So go ahead and show you my taste test and give you my thoughts on these 2 new flavors for Rebel. Oh my gosh. Oh shoot, they have dry ice right on top. They usually have it in a plastic container. Oh, that's scary. Ah! There they are. I could have sworn they'd use those colors in other things, but I have birthday cake, and then this one is orange cream. I'm so excited. Okay guys, so I have 2 new flavors of Rebel. I'm so excited. When I get excited like this, I feel like I'm just gonna be let down because there's no way that this can like meet my expectations. There's just no way. But anyways, I'm gonna try it nonetheless. It's Rebel, how could it not? I don't know. Anyways, both of these do say they're lactose free, so I'm a little worried about that. But I got this one, orange cream, and birthday cake. My boyfriend's actually really excited about this one. Let me read the ingredients. Cream, water, birthday cake cookie dough, which is made up of, oh, there's actually cookie dough in here? Oh my god. Made up of erythritol, almond flour, butter. Wait. I guess it's not dairy free, it's lactose free? Gizmo, you can't have any. Flour, butter, oh, almond flour, butter, water, natural flavor, turmeric, oloricin? I've never heard that. Fruit juices, and salt. Erythritol, vegetable glycerin, egg yolks, chicory root fiber, which all of their stuff has chicory root fiber, natural cake batter flavor, milk protein isolate, Peruvian carob gum, guar gum, salt, vegetable juice, monk fruit, lactase enzyme. Pretty interesting. These were sitting in dry ice, so they're much colder than they would have been if they were in my freezer. So for the orange cream, the ingredients are cream, water, erythritol, vegetable glycerin, egg yolk, chicory root fiber, milk protein isolate, natural orange creamsicle flavor, fruit and vegetable juice, Peruvian carob gum, guar gum, salt, monk fruit, and lactase enzyme. So this one says it's lactose free. Both of these are supposed to be lactose free. It's kind of interesting. So both of these are 5 net carbs for the whole pint. 5 net carbs for the whole pint. Wow. So the birthday cake does have more total carbs and 1 gram more fat. So that's basically the only difference. So 200 calories per serving, 18 grams of fat, 19 total carbs, 2 dietary fiber, and 15 sugar alcohols. So per serving, it's 2 net carbs. And there's 3 servings in the whole pint. 2 grams of protein. This one is the same, except it has 17 grams of fat, 15 total carbs, and 11 grams of sugar alcohol, 2 grams of fiber still. So still 2 net carbs, but it just has a little less fat in it. I'm gonna try and open these up and see if I can get a bite. Are you wanting a bite too? You can't get a bite. Whoa. Okay, so for the birthday cake, this was not what I was expecting. It's pink. I'm a little worried about that. Let's see. Not happening. Oh, I'm so impatient. Okay, so I'm gonna have to let that sit out for a little bit. Like I said, they literally just arrived and they were sitting in dry ice. So they got this to me really fast. I thought I had pre-ordered, but they shipped it to me. So I'm so happy that they did. This is what the orange cream looks like. Pretty much what is expected. I am going to let it sit in pretty much the hottest room of my place, and I will come back in maybe 5 minutes and see if I can taste it then. It has been a little over 5 minutes, and I can feel that it's getting soft around the edges, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this birthday cake. Should I try birthday cake or orange cream? I'll try orange cream first, because I'm thinking that's gonna be the more subtle one. I don't want to like blast my taste buds with the overpowering one and then not be able to taste the other one. So, have my orange cream. This is the one I'm most excited for. Oh yes. It smells like orange. Oh my god, I hope this tastes like a creamsicle. That's really good. It's not as creamy. I mean, the consistency's creamy, but it doesn't have like that white cream filling being as prominent as like a creamsicle does, but it definitely has the flavor. I really like it. The orange is definitely subdued by the cream part. So I would say it's not like the 50-50 bars or the creamsicle bars where it's like orange on the outside, cream in the middle. This is like it's the orange and the cream mixed together to make an orange cream, like it says. So the cream it's not like tart at all or citrusy because the cream kind of balances that citrus taste out. But you can tell it's got like a hint of orange, but it's like a creamy orange. They did a good job on that one. I will say I would have liked the orange cream to be more flavorful because the flavor was just kind of subdued. It's like a light orange cream, more like a watered down orange cream kind of thing. So I would have liked for the orange cream flavor to be more present, but can't complain too much because I haven't found any other orange cream keto thing. So I'm happy just to have an option. Okay, now I will try birthday cake. I don't even know what this is gonna taste like. It's pink. I'm very concerned about that. It does have some bits of something. Ooh. Oh, okay. So these are the, can't get my camera to focus, but that's a cookie dough bite. You can kind of see the sprinkles on the inside. I'm gonna try just that. Yeah, I'm gonna try just that. Oh, wow. Oh my god. Oh, wow. Let me try like a full scoop. So it has that kind of artificial birthday cake taste to it. I'm gonna tell you exactly what it tastes like. If you've ever used the cake batter extract, you can find out at Walmart. I think McCormick makes it. If you've ever tried the cake batter extract, that is what the flavor is coming from in this. But I've used it in baked goods before, and it hasn't always been the greatest. I feel like in ice cream, it works really well. The cookie dough bites are kind of soft, borderline mushy. It's not really mushy. But the cookie dough bites are kind of like on the soft side. They're not like, if you had the other, the regular chocolate chip cookie dough bites for Rebel, those are more like hard and a little crumbly. These are more so moist, I guess. But the contrast of that texture is really great with the ice cream. And then obviously the cookie dough bites are flavored birthday cake as well. And then they have some sort of sprinkle in it as well. Here's just like a spoonful of cookie dough bites. I think that would go really, really well on top of like a keto cake because it would enhance the birthday cake flavor. Sometimes when I have birthday cake flavored things, I kind of get like nauseous because the flavoring is kind of like overly sweet and a little sickening to me. I don't feel like that one's overly sweet. It's definitely sweeter than the orange cream, and it's more flavorful than the orange cream too. But it's obviously like a way different flavor. I think my boyfriend's gonna like that because he loves sprinkles and he loves birthday cake flavored things. The cookie dough bites are definitely the best part because you get the birthday cake flavor, but it's also like you're eating cookie dough. I think that would be really good like on something dry, maybe like a nush cake, or like you can make a cookie ice cream sandwich with like Lenny and Larry's cookies or something like that, or Quest cookies. Oh my god, cut a Quest cookie in half, put ice cream in there. Oh my god, that would be amazing. But yeah, I mean, I really like Rebel. I wanted to start incorporating Rebel in my diet again because I always lose weight when I have Rebel as my dessert. So this is not sponsored. I don't feel like I should have to say that because obviously Rebel wouldn't sponsor me, but I've used Rebel in a lot of my slim down videos and have lost weight. I've done ketone tests for Rebel, so it's definitely an ice cream I trust. I do like Enlightened too, but I feel like Rebel just has more fun flavors. And because I'm not a super big ice cream fan in the first place, like I never ate ice cream before keto, but there's so many good keto ice cream options that it's become my go-to for a keto dessert, especially because I can't cook. So I feel like Rebel has just like the more fun ice creams. Enlightened does have that like peanut butter cookie dough brownie, I think is what it's called, something like that. It has a long name. That one's my favorite one of Enlightened because it's like the most fun. It has the most going on. But I think if I were to say which one I liked best out of this one and the orange cream, I could see myself eating the orange cream more than the birthday cake because I feel like you have to be in a certain kind of mood for birthday cake. I think my boyfriend's kind of always in the mood for birthday cake. So if you're like him, you would probably love the birthday cake one. For me, it's a very sweet flavor. I feel like I have to be in a particular mood. So I'd probably pick the orange cream over the birthday cake, but it just depends on what you're into. I like fruitier things, especially sweets. I'm a real big fan of Jell-O. And having like an orange cream ice cream is like right up my alley. It's more fun than just like a strawberry, but it's still fruit based. Anyways, I do want to let you guys know what the other flavors that are new that they have in case you might be interested in the ones that I wasn't so interested in. In addition to those two flavors that I got, the other new flavors that they have is chocolate peanut butter, which I thought they already had that, but chocolate peanut butter caramel chip, which I don't even know what that would taste like. That's gotta be my next one to get because I love caramel. Man, peanut butter caramel chip, that's just got so much in it. Snickerdoodle, which I'm not a big fan of Snickerdoodle, so that's why I didn't get it. But if you're a fan of Snickerdoodle, I've never heard of a Snickerdoodle ice cream. That sounds pretty cool if you're into Snickerdoodle. And then banana peanut butter chip. They also have chocolate chip, which chocolate chip used to be my favorite ice cream as a kid. So those are the new flavors. I think it's really cool that Rebel came out with new flavors. I'm so excited about the ones that I got. I'm definitely going to try the peanut butter caramel chip next because that sounds good. I mean, their caramel swirl is like amazing. I was gonna get that one, and then I saw these new flavors. I'm like, oh shoot, I have to get these. Let me know which flavors you guys would be interested in. Let me know if you've tried any of the new flavors. I literally just saw a couple days ago that they had these new flavors. It says right now that you can pre-order it and it'll ship in 1 to 2 weeks, but it came to me in like a couple days. So I don't know what's going on with that. Maybe just like not enough people know that they came out with new flavors, so they're not like backed up or anything. But anyways, now you know. Like I said, that is all I have for you in this one. I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.